All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. We are live. Let's go. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's doing amazing. So we are actually in a trade right now. We are actually in a trade right now. We're actually in a trade right now. We actually saw this thing come into oversold, and we are at this 30100, 30100, and we are looking for this thing to bounce back up. Okay. Looking for a big pump, big pump, big pump. Let's go. Big pump. Let's go. Big pump. Here we go. That's exactly what we want right there. We got 28 seconds left on this candle. 28 seconds left on this candle. Ooh, she dropped again. Let's go. Let's go. Big push. Big pump. Let's go. Big pump. Big pump. Big pump. Big pump. Big pump. Okay, I got out of that. I'm gonna wait. She came down a little bit further than what I anticipated, but we're okay. We did break this level of support. Okay, we did break this level of support. So literally right now I'm actually 0-3. I had 3 trades open. I'm 0-3 right now. We are okay. I'm going to look for her to pull back up, and I'm actually going to look for sells. We're under this 200. We're under this 200 right here. And this is exactly where I want to be. So she just had a big rage, a big fall. I want her to pull back up. Let's let her pull back up, and let's just be patient here. Looking for her to pull back up into this 150 area. 150 area. And again, you have to know when to get out. You have to know when to get out, honestly. And I'm on a prop account. So one of the things as we're waiting for her to kind of pull back up here, I want to talk to you guys about, really if you're trading on a prop account, if you're trading on a Traders Global group, prop account, I was doing some research, and I was doing some configuring and just really looking at what matches up. Owanda, US30 Owanda actually matches up. It's actually off about 2 or 3 points. That is a US broker. So again, US30, actually playing off of those numbers is actually exactly where we want to be. So if you're trading, Hugo's way, if you're trading, if you're trading a COT, then obviously, common is going to be your best option. But if you're trading a prop account, Owanda is going to be is going to be the right broker that you want to look at on TradingView. All right, especially with US30. And again, that's all that I trade. So that is what I found. Yep. So you want to obviously go here. You want to go here, and you want to add US30, and you want to look at Owanda, US30, and right here, Owanda, US Wall Street 30. Okay. So again, that's kind of where what I'm playing off of. I also have that set up. You guys can't see my other screen, but I also have it set up, MT4 on my other screen. And I'm trading off my computer, MT4 as well. Definitely using some quick buttons, some magic keys. So again, yeah, again, we obviously are just utilizing tools that are available to us to obviously, get in out of these trades as fast as we can. I saw that one was going in a direction that I didn't want it to go, and I was able to get out. I'd like to see this thing pull up. I like to see this thing pull up. I like to come into an overbought area. Okay, so again, if I can get this thing to pull up. And again, I should have recognized this this divergence here. Okay, and utilize the tools that are in front of us, guys. Utilize the tools that are in front of us. So again, I want this thing to pull up. Let's go to the 5 minute. This 100 could be an area. We'll see. I think honestly we're up here in the 150. If we can pull up into the 150 area. $150 area is exactly where we want to be. Actually, we'll still be below the 200. Okay, that'd be a great area. So again, I'm just gonna be patient, guys. There's obviously no reason to rush. There's no reason to rush. No reason to rush at all. Okay, we obviously, again, we're really focusing on entry. We're really focusing on entry. I know, before we were really looking at, that next level, but again, we want to be very, very, very tight when it comes to entry. We obviously, utilize, we're scalping. This is a scalping session, but we also want to make sure that we're getting into the right, the right entry, because again, we all know that pullback can be very dangerous, and we know that pullback can cause a lot of issues. So again, I'm very, 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 especially on my prop account. Again, I'm definitely just very cautious when it comes to that, and I would just want to make sure that that I am where I'm supposed to be as far as my entry. Okay, my entry has to be on point. It has to be on point, guys. Okay, so again, we're just going to be patient here. We can also come down here and see this 300 area here. Okay, we're obviously coming down into that area. Okay. How's everybody doing today? How's everybody week going so far? All right, here we go. Perfect. That's what we want to see. We want to see that pull up. Great, awesome. We want to see this pull up. We want to see this thing pull up. I really like the CCI, guys. Like honestly, like most indicators have a lot of lag. And you really can't trust indicators because they're either ahead of the price or they're lagging The CCI actually does pretty well, to be honest with you. Again, it's just a matter of just looking at our entry and really making sure our best entry. Like, for example, when you look at this here, okay, obviously what we're looking for is we're looking for an overbought. We're looking for an overbought. That's really going to kind of give us our entry as far as a retest, okay? Obviously, when I pull the fib out, okay, the 50 is at about 150. Okay, so again, I would say anything in between 3100 and 3150 is really kind of my target area to actually get into this trade. Okay. Okay. And what's cool about TradingView, guys, is like you can actually set a an alert. Like I can go here, I can set an alert right here that when this thing actually comes above, crosses over the 100, that it actually sends me a notification. Okay, so I actually have an alert right here that once it crosses this 100, that it's actually going to alert me. Okay, and your alerts are right here. Okay, so again, check charts for a CCI cross over 100. Okay, and again, just because it crosses, that doesn't necessarily mean that we want to get in. Okay, that doesn't necessarily mean that we want to get in. We also we want to definitely look at when this thing's crossing back down. Okay, so again, I want to find a trade that was a great trade. Okay. It hasn't really been a good setup, to be honest with you. Okay, so obviously here there's some divergence here. And what's divergence? If you look at what divergence is look, this isn't a downtrend. Look how the chart actually marked. Okay, it's a divergence to the upside. And look what happens when you have a divergence to the upside. You get this buy, and look what's happening. Okay, so again, that's the divergence that we wanted. Because look at this here. Okay, this should be in a down. Okay, this point here, down. Okay, this here. Look at this candle right here is above this here. But look, a divergence was created. Okay. And now we're going to see, we're going to see it pull up. How do I get the cloud on the bottom? I didn't do anything to this. I actually just it's the CCI. It's the CCI indicator. So just CCI indicator. You actually need to type it that way, and it's the first one. Okay. Yeah, so if you go to indicators and you go to CCI, you go to indicators right here, system alpha, 185. And then I didn't mess with anything. I like the length of 20, and yeah. Okay, so again, we're under the 200, so obviously we're looking for sells. We want this thing to pull back. Okay, like I said, I see this area of 100 or 150 being my target area. Okay, just based off of also, again, we know how to we obviously know we know how to read charts. We know where there's resistance. We know where there's floor, there's ceilings. And again, we see a ceiling right here at 100. Okay, so again, if we can get this thing to pull up, okay, we obviously need to break this zero. Okay, we need to get to break the zero. Okay, because what could happen as well is this 100 level can actually be the zero level. Okay, so we just want to see kind of how high, you know, is this overbought? What is overbought? Okay, what level is that? Okay, at what retest is that? You know, what bank zone is that? Okay, like I said, I'm on Owanda. I'm on Owanda right now, just due to the fact that I'm trading off of my prop account, which you know, my prop account matches up very good with Owanda. Okay, so as you can see here, we're getting a great pull up. Okay, getting a great pull up. Okay, so again, pulling up, we're at 50. Okay, we're at 50, and we just hit 100. Okay, so again, if we can pull up to 100, I honestly believe that that could be our level here. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to place an order for 30100 for a sell limit. Pending order, sell limit, and we're going to go 30100. Okay. All right, so we're going to see if we can continue to pull up here. All right, perfect. Look at that. Let's go. Perfect. We got 6 seconds left in this candle. Let's continue to pump here. We want it to pump to 30100. That's our entry. 30100 for a sell limit. Sell limit 30100. And again, if you're using COT or if you're using COT or you're using another broker, Hugo's, it's about 25 point difference. It's about a 25 point difference. Okay, so if you mark up at the halfway points, that's where she's going to come to. You'll see that the 3100 is actually a halfway point because it's about 25 points off. And again, guys, this is just me studying the charts. This is me studying the charts and really figuring out what works. All right. So you can see what happened here. Okay. Obviously here, we're not chasing her. She came to this zero, bounced back. Okay, which obviously demonstrates that she's in a downtrend. Okay. So we want her to pull, become overbought. And that's the entry that we're looking for. Okay, that's the entry that we're looking for. Okay. Okay. You can also play that zero. Okay, there's a couple different entries that you guys can take off of this CCI. Okay. When she comes into overbought, you take the drop. Once she crosses over the 100, you get in. Then you can actually have another entry once she crosses 100. Once she crosses zero. Okay, and then you can actually have another entry once she crosses 100, negative 100. So again, there's 3 entry points that you can actually get, you know, if you catch it correctly. And again, this is simply just price action, guys. I'm not using anything else. I literally have a 200. I'm trading underneath the 200. Okay, the 200 is really telling me, you know, that obviously we're in a downtrend. So I'm looking for sells. Okay, the 200 demonstrates that we're in a downtrend. I'm looking for sells. Okay, and then obviously utilizing this tool here, utilizing the CCI. Okay, as far as price goes, okay, it tells me exactly where price is at. Okay, it tells me exactly where price is at. Okay, and it really helps with my entry. Okay, obviously it doesn't give me pinpoint entry, but it gives me levels of what to look for, and it gives me levels of what to kind of keep my eye on. Okay, and it helps me in the sense of just, you know, knowing, you know, where's a potential pullback. Okay, and like again here, guys. Okay, 3050 was actually the 0. Okay, and again, anything underneath the 0 simply means that we're in a downtrend. Okay. Our opportunity is in when she retests and become overbought, especially if we're under the 200. Okay, especially if we're under the 200. Okay, here we go. So 100 is really the area that I see that, you know, if we hit 100, okay, that this is going to be overbought, and this is going to be our entry. Okay, so as you can see here, we're hitting off the 0, and we're bouncing off of that 30050. Okay, we're bouncing off of that 30050. Okay, here we go. Okay, again, we're creeping up. We're creeping up. 30100 sell limit. 30100 sell limit. We're creeping up to this 200. We're creeping up to this 200. We are under the 2 on the 5. We're under the 2 on the 1. Okay. So again, as you can see, we came up. Okay, I want to come up further. I want to come oversold. And then what I'm then going to do is I'm then going to watch for the drop. Because again, I don't want to get caught in a pullback, okay, past 3,100. All right, I don't want to get caught in a pullback. So I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be patient, guys. Okay, so once she does break, once she comes back up here to this 3,100, okay, we could then look at a sell stop at 30050, and then another sell stop at 00. But again, we need to find our entry. We need to find our entry, and that's what we're doing. Is we're getting our entry, and then we can scalp on the way down. So here we go. We are set up at 30100. We are set up at 30100. She's about to go over bot. She's about to go over bot. We got 20 seconds left on this candle. We need a big pump. Here we go. Okay. Again, we don't chase her. We don't chase her. Okay, here's the deal. If you put in at 30050, okay, again, you could potentially get a pullback, and we're not going to play that game. Okay, I want a great entry. I want a great entry, and that's what I'm waiting for. Is that once I get a great entry, I know that she's then going to continue to fall. Okay. And then I'm going to catch the bag on the way down. Just like yesterday, we set up, we got a great entry, and literally we took, we didn't take a whole lot of trades yesterday, and we got an amazing bag. So, you know, again, it's all about the entry. It's all about the entry, and just being patient. You know what I mean? Just being a lot more patient. Okay. Again, not worrying, hey, I missed that, or we missed that, or we missed that opportunity. We just have to be patient. And honestly, here's the deal: if she doesn't give it to us, she doesn't give it to us. But at the end of the day, if we can become patient, and we can become disciplined in our patience, and we become consistent in our patience, you know, we definitely get better entries, and you know, yeah. And again, this is simply just really what I've been focused on, guys, and really what I've been doing is really focusing on discipline, really focusing on patience, and you know, really just not jumping the gun and really rushing, you know, getting in, especially when I have such a powerful tool that allows me to really, you know, know where can she possibly, you know, where can she possibly pull back to, where can she possibly retest off of. And again, look at this, we're getting close. So again, if we can get a huge jump, okay, if we can get a huge jump, okay, she's going to slam down once she hits this, and she's going to give us the momentum that we need. Okay. Okay. Again, we're simply going to be patient. Okay, let me also show something here. So this is an area. Let me remove that. Let me just get something here. So this is what I'm looking at, guys. This is our zone. This is our zone. Look at this, how many times she's respected this. She's literally respected this over the last 10 minutes. Okay, and again, keep in mind we're on a 1 minute candle. Okay, but again, if we even go out to a 5 minute, this is you know, 20 minutes here, 15 minutes here. The last 15, she respected it. Okay, we're still on this half-hour candle. We just opened up a new half-hour candle. Okay, but again, we can see that last half-hour candle where she actually broke that level. Okay, she actually broke that level. She was respecting it. Then she finally broke it. Okay, so now what are we gonna do? We're gonna retest it. Okay, and here we come. Okay, so again, this is kind of my zone. This is kind of what I'm looking at, guys. And again, on my MT4, same thing. It's exactly what I see. But I need a better entry. Okay, look at this. I want to get up into here. And again, I'm just going to be patient because I know that once I do that, everything on the drop is gravy. Here we go, big pump. Big pump, here we go. Okay, let's break this zero. Let's break this zero. And again, we're just gonna be patient. Again, if you want to get in somewhere, you're more than welcome to definitely get in. I'll be honest, I'm waiting and being patient, guys. And again, you have to find your strategy and you have to find what works for you and you have to be consistent in that. This is definitely something as far as just really working on my patience, just really working on discipline, especially when I have a tool that helps me really understand where entry can be. Again, obviously, we were simply just playing off of levels. We were price action. We were having some pullbacks. Again, I'm trying to eliminate the pullbacks, and just trying to have a better entry point. Okay, and then from there, once I have my key entry point, then at that point I'm going to take scalps on the way down, hitting those bank zones. Okay. So 30050 is a nice zone. 30050 is a nice zone. Okay. Where again, you could potentially 30050. You could potentially have a little bit of pullback, a little bit of drawback. Okay. Maybe about 10 points or so. Okay. Okay. You could also. Another thing that we can do here, okay, we can actually have our entry at 30075, okay, with the stop loss 25 points above. Okay, so let's look at what this will look like. Okay, we're going to obviously look for a short. Okay, let's say we're able to get in right here. Okay, we want to pull this 50 points. Okay, and we want to take this thing down at least a 2-to-1, if not a 3-to-1. Okay. So this could be 2-to-1 right here. This would be 2 to 1. This would be 2 to 1. Okay. This would be 3 to 1. Okay. So again, that's really kind of where we want to be, guys, is we want to be in this area. We want to get in around this 30075, stop loss 50 points, TP 2 to 1 would be 100 points. 3 to 1 would be 150 points. You and I both know that's all that we need. You get 150 points a day, golden. Okay? We're below the 200. And again, keep in mind, guys, discipline, consistency, patience. That's what we're looking for. Consistency, discipline, patience. Get the emotions out of it. Okay? We don't miss setups. They're all day long if you want it. Okay? So again, we're going to be patient. We're going to wait for her to come into our zone. And once she comes into our zone like a hunter, we're going to take our shot. Okay? We don't need to chase. Exactly. All right, here we go, guys. Let's get ready. So around here we go. Around the 30075 area, 30075, anything above that is on sale. Anything above that is on sale. We got 9 seconds left on this candle. We're not moving this thing. We're gonna stay here, and we're gonna stay patient. We're not going to let the market push us, punk us. We're going to sit right where we're at. We're about to get this bag. Here we go. We're going to be patient, guys. We see this 200 here. We see this 200. We're under this 200. Here we go. Let's go. Big push up. Big pump. Big pump up. Let's go. There we go. Big pump up. Let's go. We got 41 minutes into the session, guys. Here we go. There we are. Be patient. Be patient. Okay, we just crossed. We just got vacation here. Okay. Okay, we're about to get in right now. We're about to get in this trade right now. Boom, we are in. We are in. Boom. We are in. Now wait for a drop. Let's go. Here we go. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. Let's go. We got 38 seconds left on this candle. There we go. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop, US30. Let's go. Big drop. And again, you get out when you want to get out, guys. You're in full control. You're in full control. We are in right now. We're waiting for a drop. We're waiting for this thing to drop. We're waiting for this thing to drop. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. We don't play. Let's go. Big drop. 38 seconds left on this candle. We need a big drop. Come down. Come get us. Yes, sir. $30050 sell stop. Let's go. Big drop. Yep, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go get that bag. Let's go. Let's go get that bag. go get that bag. Let's go. Big drop, US30. Big drop. Come on, big drop. Give us a big drop. $30050 sell stop. Again, proper risk management. We are not over leveraged. We are proper risk management, guys. Patience, discipline, consistency, and proper risk management. That's it. Let's go. Big drops. Big drops, US30. Let's go. Give us a big drop. Waiting for this big drop. Big drop, US30. Come on, big drop. We just opened up a new candle. Let's go. Big drop. Come on, US30. Big drop. Let's break that 30050. 30050 sell stop. Let's go. Let's go. Get down here. Let's go. Get down here. Amazing setup. Amazing setup. We just got to be patient. Let her do her thing. Let's go. Big drops. US30. We got 22 seconds left on this candle. Not what I wanted. Let's go. Big drops. Okay. We're okay. Okay, she stopped us. I did take a small bag. I did take 2 entries though. I did get a small bag when she dropped. When she dropped right here, I was able to get in. I was able to get a small bag when she did drop here. Okay. Again, great setup here. Get back in. So what I'd like you to do is I want you to do a sell stop at 300-100. 300-100 sell stop. $300-100 sell stop. Here's the deal. She's overbought. We're tapping on that 200. We're gonna bounce off that 200, and we're gonna come shooting down. So 300-100 sell stop. Okay, we are overbought. We are overbought. We're hitting that 200 on the 1 minute. We're hitting that 200 on the 1 minute. We're trading right on top of that 200. Okay, we want a big drop. We are overbought. So again, when a nice market execution is at 100 here, when she crosses this 100 mark, that's a great market execution for a scalp. Okay, when she crosses this 100, great execution for a scalp. Okay, be patient. 30100, sell stop. Let's go, big drop, US30. Stop playing around, let's go, US30, big drop. There we go. Let's go, big drop, US30, big drop, come on. Again, the same 1 to 3 ratio. Okay, we get in here, stop loss 150. Or you can even move this up if you'd like and take the higher. Let's go, big drop. 30100, sell stop. Let's go. Here we go, let's go. go. Big drops. Let's go US30. So look, if you look what happened, she came up here, she consolidated, okay? She consolidated. She came up here, okay? Right here, we got in, right? Then she jumped up, then she consolidated, okay? We're right at this level here. We're right at this level here. We're waiting for this break. We're obviously not in anything right now. I'm waiting for this fall, guys. Okay, so literally right now I am 1 and 4 on the session. But I'm also 1 and 4, but I'm still in profit. 1 and 4, and I'm still in profit. Okay, it's all about risk management, guys. We're just gonna be patient. We're just being patient, guys. Okay, and again, what we like to see is we like to see 7 to 8 candles above that 200, telling us that we're now looking for buys. Okay, 7 to 8 candles. I would even say 8 to 10 candles. Honestly, 8 to 10 positive candles in that direction above that 200 is telling us, you know, especially from a scalper standpoint, that we're looking for change of direction. Okay, so again, we're just gonna be patient here. We're not in anything. We're just being patient. Okay, we're looking to get back in here. Is she gonna continue to climb, or what are we gonna do? Okay, but we need about 10 minutes, especially when we're looking at the 1 minute. To obviously determine, you know, are we going to continue to the upside? Okay, I hope all this, guys, is helping you guys, you know, just based off of literally just the rules and the things that I use, you know, when getting you know, especially I would say over the last 30 days, you know, really focusing on just really getting better entries, you know, and understanding that obviously taking that 50-point loss to obviously gain more and to actually grab something that's going to give me you know, 100 points, 150 points, you know, again, I'll take that all day long. Okay, so again, I'm not afraid of that, you know, and again, I'm not over leveraged. I know exactly where I'm at, and yeah. Absolutely, and that's the key to this game is we obviously all want to get in, we want to make money, but again, if you can learn patience is the key. is let the market come to you. You know, pick your spot, let the market come to you, and then once the market comes to you, execute. You know what to do at that point. And again, if we saw a bounce, you know, we did get a bag. We got this bag right here. I did get a bag right here. Okay, this thing came down almost 20 points. I grabbed a bag. Okay, so again, I'm a scalper. I grab bags, you know, as I can grab them. You know, again, you can move that stop loss as well. You know, 20 points into profit, boom, grab a bag. You know, so again, like, you know, don't leave money on the table. You know, grab money where you can grab money. And again, sometimes if you see it, you know, she's either going to slam through and give you a quick 50 points, 100 points, or she's going to teeter-tot, grab your bag and get out. Wait for another, you know, another entry, get a better entry like we're about to get right now, you know, as she falls, and you know, continue to grind from there. Okay, so again, you know, patience, discipline, consistency, and then obviously risk management, guys. Like obviously, look at this. You know, she's trying to play us on this 200. She's trying to play us on this 200. Okay, she's trying to trick us. So now, 30100 sell stop. 30100 sell stop. Okay, we're going to see one or two things happen. We're either going to bounce off this 30100, okay, because here's the deal, we're at the 0 point, or we're going to break through that 0 point, we're going to retest that 0 point, and we're going to fall. Okay, so I like 30100. Okay, we just broke the 200 again. We're about to get in right now. And again, look what happened, guys. Again, utilize the tools. These tools don't lie to us. You know what I mean? They're great resources. They're technology, you know, that allow us and give us the tools that we need to be able to, you know, again, be as predictable as we can. We obviously can't predict what's going to happen. She can shoot up and rage. She can completely just fall, you know, through the sky right now. So again, we don't know what's going to happen, but with tools and utilizing our skill, we're able to obviously make better decisions, and we're able to obviously, you know, get into things, you know, a little bit better as well. So we're about to get in this right now. And it looks like even with Owanda, we're about 15 points off on Traders Global, but again, a lot closer than we would be if we were using, you know, Common. So again, boom, I'm in. Boom, took a little bag. Okay, we're in profit. Let me move this thing over. Yeah, I'll look at Black Bull. Let's see where Black Bull is right now. So Black Bull, yeah, see, Black Bull's about, it's pretty close. Black Bull's pretty close. Okay, so we got in this trade, guys, at about 119. Yeah, Black Bull's gonna actually line up pretty good with yeah, Black Bull's gonna line up actually pretty decently. I like that. Thanks for that. Okay, we got a bag already, guys. We got a bag. We got a bag. I'm about to get back in here. 30100. 30100. Okay, again, look how she's playing off of that 200. Look how she's playing off that 200, guys. So I'm actually about to be off the session here. So we are actually, right now, we are 2 and 5, 2 and 5, still in profit. I am not in a trade right now. When she came through this 100, I actually grabbed this 20 points right here. I grabbed this 20 points and I got out. Just because, again, where she was at near the 200. So I just grabbed my bag and got out. So here we go, we're about to get back in. 30100, 30100. And I'm going off this Owanda right now. That's where I kind of got in before. So I'm going to go off this Owanda right now. 30100. And if you look at common, we're 29 points above that 100. Okay, we are in right now. We are in. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. I'm not going to set anything up as far as stop loss right now. I know where I'll potentially get out. I know where I'll potentially get out. There we go. Nice little bag there. And again, guys, you can market execution as well. Okay. Obviously, your broker's not going to put you directly into that, just due to obviously spreads and things like that. But again, you'll get pretty close. Big drops. 30100, 30100, sell stop. Okay, I did get that little bag there. Here we go, we're in again. Let's go, big drop. Big drop. Big drop. We're actually going into oversold. We're actually going into oversold. Let's go. I'm gonna grab this bag. I'm gonna grab that bag. I got that bag just now. Got that bag. Got that bag. Again, we're oversold. We're in the oversold area. So again, you know, obviously we're gonna pull up just like we did. Okay. So again, I'm now I'm actually 4 and 4 right now. 4 and 4. Okay, look at this, guys. We are 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd like to see 5 more candles to the downside. Okay. But cool, guys. That's the session for today. I hope you guys learned some stuff. Obviously, we were very patient today. We were able to get a couple bags. We're definitely in profit for the day. We're definitely. I do believe that I'm actually going to jump on tomorrow and do a little session. So I would definitely send the link out for those that want to definitely jump on. Obviously, tomorrow will be a lot lighter, just because again it's Friday. We're going to move a little bit lighter, but again. Just stay focused, stay consistent, stay disciplined, patient, and let's get these bags. Thanks so much, guys. Have an amazing day. Take care. Bye.